inspiring Mosaic expedition in Egypt. Embark on an unforgettable creative adventure in the heart of Egypt, led by the renowned Mosaic master Saad Mikhael. The timeless ancient and modern Mosaic workshop is an immersive 25-hour exploration to master the secrets of ancient Mosaic techniques and modern innovations that shaped Saad's legendary career. Create your own stunning mosaic inspired by Egypt's rich cultural tapestry. Delve deeper into the captivating world of mosaic art with a 3-day discovery tour of Egypt's rich mosaic heritage, from the iconic pyramids to the enigmatic Sphinx. Marvel at the wonders that have captivated humanity for millennia and draw inspiration from this timeless art form, all with Saad as your guide. Immerse yourself in Egypt's vibrant culture, from bustling markets to tantalizing cuisine. Prepare to be captivated by a land where history whispers secrets and vibrant culture ignites your artistic soul. Escape the ordinary and recharge your creativity with comfortable accommodation provided, knowing you have expert guidance and support every step of the way. Don't miss your chance to unlock your creativity. Secure your spot now. Come to Saad Studio. Your mosaic expedition awaits.